you have fabric here and rocks, and they obviously are not doing the job. Weed barrier.
So true.
What I think you should do here is you're going to dig a little trench around the side against the house, and you need rock. Here's your rock. Then I would plant 4 shrubby cinquefoils, which are small, lovely native plants for full sun that are extremely low maintenance and would be really pretty. They come in yellow and pink. So along there, and then a row maybe of catmint or something simple. And then just put soil here and topsoil, and then seed it for now. But over time, you can plant this whole thing. You have so much sun, it would be amazing to have this gorgeous pollinator garden.